What up, ye? We're back. So this is exam 2, question 2, A, B, and C. So, write equations of the following lines in point slope or slope intercept formula. So I'm given the slope and a point. Really easy, point slope formula. 2, 3, and the point is negative 3 over 4, or negative 3 comma 4. So, I gave you both on the test. Turns out you were asking for one. So this should be simple. So point slope is y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. So y stays the same and x stays the same. We don't actually have the answer. We just have 1 point. Y minus positive 4, but it turns into a negative, so y minus 4 equals, slope is negative 2 over 3, and x stays the same, and it is x minus negative 3, so it turns into a positive, so it's x plus 3. Now, part B, it says line passing through the points negative 1, 2, and 2, 3, and write it in standard form. So, first thing we can do, I'm going to erase this first bit because this is going to be big. Oh, there's the alcohol side. All right. It smells really bad. Okay. So the first thing we can do is, I don't remember what the formula is called, but it is how to find the slope. It's probably just the slope formula. So it is x, yes. Okay. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Which is y2 and y1, and x2 and x1 doesn't matter. You can switch them as long as they're both the same. This is 1 point and this is 1 point. Equals slope. So y2 in this case is going to be 3 minus y1 is going to be 2. x2 is 2 minus negative 1, so that's going to be plus 1. And we are given 3 minus 2 is negative 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 minus 2 is positive 1, sorry. So, our slope is 1 over 3. Rise 1, run 3. Flat line. So, slope intercept which is the easiest way to write it with this information given, is y equals the slope, which is 1 over 3 x, plus you find the x-intercept, the x-intercept, which is going to be the slope plus 6 over 3, which is 2. Now, I got this part wrong. I thought it was a minus, so I put a 5 over 3 here. That's wrong. So this will be 7 over 3, and that is correct. So I got a 1.5 off for that. You can switch that over to standard form. Make it, for some reason I wrote Okay, yes. So I was supposed to write a negative for this slope, negative 1 over 3, x plus y equals negative, I wrote 5 over 3, I was wrong, it was 7 over 3. And that is the slope in standard form. I'm gonna erase this bit, so that was B. I'm gonna erase this bit because there's a whole bunch more to write. Well, no, it's not erasing great. Okay. Part C. I'm gonna write some stuff down on my own real quick. So I'm given a table, and I'm asked to write it in standard form. So x, y, negative 8, negative 4, that's a point. Negative 4, negative 1, that's another point. 0, 2, that's our y-intercept. 4, 5, another point, and 8, 8. 8. And we got to make our 5s look like 5s, sorry ye. So we have 5 points here. So I can really choose any 2 points I want. So I'm pretty sure I choose any points, so I went with easy points. I did this one and this one. So I made this the second point and this the first point. So y2, y1, x2, x1. So 2 minus negative 1 is 2 plus 1. 0 minus negative 4 is 0 plus 4. So we have 3 over 4. Standard form, or no, you're asking for it in slope-intercept form, is y equals 3 over 4x plus this point, which is our y-intercept. I was wrong before. I said slope-intercept had the x-intercept, but I wrote the y-intercept. So I wrote it right, I just said it wrong. Sorry. Which is plus 2. So the y-intercept is 2, because x equals 0, so it's 3 over 4x plus 2. Sorry, that one was a little rougher to get through, but we got through it. And now, so that was page 3, 2A, B, and C.